Hello everyone, welcome back on Treat for Foodies. Today I will show you how to make perfect fried ice cream, and for that we need 2 scoops vanilla ice cream. Keep them in freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours. 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 cup cornflakes crumb, 3 tablespoon maida, 2 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 cup water, oil and chocolate syrup. So now mix maida, sugar and water to make a paste for coating. Make sure the consistency is thick. Take out the ice cream scoops from freezer and dip in maida paste. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. Dip in the maida paste once more, then coat it with cornflakes crumbs. Now keep the coated scoops in freezer for 30 minutes. Heat the oil on medium flame, and once the scoops are chilled, fry until it turns golden brown. Garnish with chocolate syrup. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.